Hello everyone. We're gonna go outside and check out the snow. I do think that my neighbor is already shoveling with his big gun, the gasoline shovel, and I don't have enough time to do everything because I still gotta work at 10. It's after 9:15 now, but we're just gonna take a look and see what everything looks like. And when I do start shoveling later, I do want to be in my workout stuff. So let's take a look. Ooh. Wow. Wow, I can't believe how much has gotten on here. I hope that this box with my salt is nice and safe. We gotta get this snow off of here. Yes, definitely gotta replace this bag when the time comes. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is not so bad here, but it is ice. Yeah, pretty deep. Look at that. Oh. Let's see. So down here, below is quite low. Good morning! Hi! Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see. Maybe I gotta go this way. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yep. Let me see. You're a savior, man. You're a savior. Oh, man. Woohoo. this over here. Maybe. I try to keep it on my side. I try to keep it on my side, but it's not working.
Yeah, I know, no, it's everywhere.
Yep. I'm just gonna clear this. They're calling me at work, so I'm gonna run.
Really?
Yeah, damn it. So I'm gonna try to stay out till 10:15 and then run in. But man, this is good. You're a godsend. Thank you so much for this. Oh my gosh. Oh man, you're awesome always. We'll have to enjoy some beers afterward. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Some of the snow off for you. Something like that. Go over here. Oh yeah, let me do that one more time. Yeah. Oh yeah, it did. Woo-hoo. I gotta go to work soon. Gotta get to the trash can. Oh, it's the most important thing. Oh, oops. Hopefully. Whoa. I know. I'm gonna try to stay out just a few more minutes.
I'll make you a hot breakfast.
Okay, thanks. If the kids want to play, there's a lot of snow. If you can handle them. Huh?
I don't know if that's right. When I look at the ledge, Miner made a ledge.
Miner did this whole part. Maybe. Check the back where the string is to hold up clothes and see how many inches piled on top of those shelves, those stairway areas. The banister that goes down, see how many inches above, because that has no balance. Everything that stacks for real. So, yeah. So check that out. Okay, I gotta go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, let's go. Hey, Larry. How was the trip? How was the trip? The one, the cruise. Awesome. Oh my gosh. I gotta work or I chat more. I'll talk to you more later. Take care of yourself. Yep. Yep. It's kind of heavy, so be careful. I hope your wife is doing well too, Francesca. I hope she is. Let me get this out of here. Woohoo! I think not too bad for a very fast job. Oh, let's see if this thing will open. Probably will, but still very snowy here. Okay. Woo, baby. Yeah, always do. Hopefully it will avoid the sensors. Not TV sensors. Let's see. Oh, I am in the way. Oh, is it? Still. Oh yeah, this is in the way. Okay. Gotta pull this in closer. I hope. Let's see. Whew. Well, that was very harrowing. And now we're going to go back into work and do some more snow later. It was nice to see the neighbors out there together. And yeah, pretty fun to shovel up a little bit of that snow. There was a lot, man. More than we've ever had in a long time. Talk to you guys real soon. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we will chat. By the way, we are not sponsored by Planet Toys Utah, but Johnny Utah, as we lovingly call him, is the owner of a store called Planet Toys Utah. We'd like you to know about it. And if you would like, purchase from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
PlanetToysUtah.com